Stop buying iPhone 17 Pro. Watch iPhone 18 Pro Max revolutionize mobile. Every category wins, unveiling the shocking truth. First, we discuss body. 17 Pro, 150 meters, 206 kurat, compact king, ceramic shield, IP68, Apple Pay. 18 Pro Max, IP68, aluminum, slightly lighter, same toughness. Gym membership required. Winner, 17 Pro. Now we discuss processor. iPhone 18 Pro Max's 2nm A20 Pro is ahead of iPhone 17 Pro's A19 Pro with hexa-cores and 8-core GPU for better gaming and video editing. Both have iOS 26, but iPhone 18 Pro Max outperforms with efficiency and its 2nm. Now we discuss display. iPhone 18 Pro Max 6.9 vs 17 Pro 6.3. Same LTPO OLED, 120 Hz, 3000 nits, 460 ppi, ceramic shield 2. Same tech, just bigger. Winner, 18 Pro Max for Netflix and gaming. Build quality, same. Now you will compare camera. The iPhone 18 Pro Max features a triple camera system with 48 megapixel sensors. f/1.6, 4.0 for incredible zoom and ProRes RAW video. Despite lacking LiDAR, its top-notch telephoto and aperture features still outperform the iPhone 17 Pro. Now you will compare front camera. Both phones have identical specs. 18nm ultra-wide, f/1.9, 3D depth, 4K 60 FPS, ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, spatial audio. No changes from iPhone 17 Pro to iPhone 18 Pro Max. Tie since there's no comparison. Now you will compare charging and battery. The iPhone 18 Pro Max's 5100 mAh battery outshines the 3999 mAh iPhone 17 Pro's. PD 3.2 wired charging gives 50% in 20min25W MagSafe wireless and 4.5W reverse wired, despite the size difference. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.